Snoring is wonderful. It creates coziness. It revives the darkness of the night, like a rattling lullaby you didn't ask for. Snoring keeps you awake at 3:20 a.m. so that you can plan your day and maybe even solve a dilemma that's been bothering you for weeks. Snoring creates the kind of intimacy where you accept your bedside partner wholeheartedly, regardless of their shortcomings. Snoring doesn't suck. It rocks like an old gold rock and roll song. Nevertheless, if you utterly disagree with us and are in desperate need of a snoring solution, do visit goodnighter.com. Noted, fixed.